This one breaks easily. Don't want it. This one scratches easily. Don't want it either. This one ends up full of bubbles when applied. Don't want it either. Now take a look at MagicJohn's newly upgraded armor glass. No misalignment, no air bubbles. 28-degree privacy protection on both sides. Upgraded electroplated oleophobic layer. Water beads up. Each droplet is full and round. Corning material. Shock-absorbing rebound technology. Everyday bumps and scratches can all be handled with ease. If you like it, click the bottom left to learn more.